Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Columbia Blood and Guts 4 woven long sleeve shirt. The shirt is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. This long sleeve shirt has the perfect combination of comfort, style, and protection from the elements. The fabric is designed to be breathable yet durable enough to withstand harsh conditions like wind, rain, or sun exposure. It also features Omni-Shield advanced repellency technology that repels water and stains while drying quickly so you stay dry all day long. Additionally, this shirt comes with UPF 50 sun protection, which helps shield your skin from harmful UV rays when out in the sun for extended periods of time. The design of this Columbia Blood and Guts 4 woven long sleeve shirt makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to add some extra coverage while still staying comfortable outdoors in any weather condition. Its lightweight material keeps you cool during hot days but can easily layer up if needed on cooler days as well, thanks to its classic fit styling that allows room for layering without feeling bulky or restrictive at all times. The roll tab sleeves let you adjust your level of coverage depending on what activity you're doing, whether fishing by a lake or hiking through nature trails, making sure that no matter where life takes you, you'll always have just the right amount warmth. Overall, the Columbia Blood and Guts 4 woven long sleeve shirt offers superior performance with great looks too. Its stylish plaid patterning gives it an attractive look suitable anywhere from casual outings around town to more rugged adventures outside, plus its moisture-wicking properties keep sweat away even during intense activities, so there's never any sticky discomfort either. With such amazing features combined into one package, this truly is one versatile piece every active person needs in their wardrobe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.